Hey, what's up, Winklink coin holder? It's a very bad news for all Winklink coin holder because the price is completely decreased now, hour by hour, minute by minute, and all cryptocurrencies is very badly falls down. So therefore, Winklink holder, be safe from the loss. Do this what I tell you in this video. Otherwise, you also completely end the loss. Winklink coin, one of the fastest coin in the crypto market, just very badly falls down, and I think the team of Winklink coin is going to sleeping now because my friend, last 7 days, last 24 hours, last 1 hour, all change occur will be negative now, and absolutely when they fails down, so it's mean my brothers too, the price is decreased now. So this time you can see the price is come to 0.0004 USD dollars, so it's mean to the price will be decrease now. So this time exactly the change occur will be negative now, and absolutely my friend, if we see my friend the chart, so the chart is cannot they show you my brothers, so kindly this time my friend I will update you. This time last 24 hours you can see my friend 35 billion my friend, you can see here volume and available supply. If you can see my friend 76 million my friend, and absolutely it's very positive now because just only my friend and percentage, the price of percentage is going to be very badly fast down, but holders are doing very big mistake. Absolutely after this mistake my friend, the coin is fails down. So therefore I will notify you to don't do this mistake what I tell you, otherwise you completely in the loss. My friends, the mistake is that two holders are starting selling. Absolutely, if you starting selling, so the coin is falls down. So therefore I will notify you to don't starting selling and be safe from the loss. So Winklink holder, I hope in upcoming time the Winklink coin price is increasing now, but definitely my friend, you need to hold it and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be increased. So let's see to what they do, but kindly holder, please be safe from the loss. Please research personally before you take any decision, and don't starting selling. Hold it and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.